Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set custom default notification ringtone in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to sounds and vibration. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, okay, you'll have to do is scroll down and find the default notification ringtone. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in default notification ringtone, okay, here in the top, you can see the custom and select from files. Okay, you'll have to do is click select from files to select the music you want to set as a ringtone of your default notification ringtone. So okay guys, I choose this one music here. And okay guys, after you select the music, okay, you have to do is go back. And okay, you can see the music title here in the right side of the select from files in custom. And okay guys, go back again. And okay guys, here the title in the default notification ringtone. And okay guys, we have successfully set the custom default notification ringtone in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.